that's why you have this strategic alignment, leadership, skills, behavior, engagement, and all organization successful. So when you have some kind of training, it has to be organizational wide, not just a particular person or particular group of people. So in order to succeed, okay, the guys who develop, who practice, okay, digital transformation needs to have that. Okay, you need to think about their literacy in terms of digital literacy and see how they. So here they are saying that in order to have that, of course, the leadership must have the digital savviness. But when you have a good leadership, then they will know how the value of the digital transformation or the solution that you need to have. Of course, when you talk about workforce capability, it's nationwide, the enterprise-wide. And then you need to empower the employees with a new way of doing things. So when there's a change, then of course the change management is there as well. Then you need to handle. You must have some kind of digital tools. And these digital tools for the future, like just now they were talking about, you can take some of this description, take all your documentation in your organization, and then you ask, can you describe the value stream for my organization? So in the future, even all the top people or the customers and so on, they will just go to this dashboard in a phone. All these things, you still need somebody to think about the algorithm and what questions to ask. So in your organization, when they talk about all these digital things, you need this kind of skills actually to help your bosses, your people. Management or the leaders actually can play that kind of role. This is where you need to work out how to break all the silo situation in your organization or even with your ecosystem partners. Of course, all the technical people, they need to know all the latest kind of digital transformation tools and also development programming and so on. And so all these things goes without saying. There's now the Dr. Istiana from Jabatan Digital or National Digital Department was saying that the cybersecurity is already built in, that you need to look into the people, individual, the capabilities of the senior management and also the tools that will actually help you building your